Hello friends, I'm back. Woo! Okay, 13 days of horrible crafts is finally over. I can't tell you how much I have wanted to get back to resin. I know I did some during the 13 days of horrible series, but I didn't do enough. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that series next year. If I do, it'll probably all be resin because I'm just so into it. But while I was doing my little spookiness over there, I placed some orders. And I want to share with you all of the goodness that I have collected during spooky season. So, let's get into it. First up, I got these candle holders. They're really cool. This one has like polka dots. And then this one has like diamonds. Yeah. So I'm excited to see how these turn out. I'm hoping that they will be a bit bigger than the other ones that I have that I used for my housemates' plants. Anyway, so there's those. I put a few polls up on YouTube, so I made 2 community posts of polls with a few of these molds, and also on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's Resin by Megan on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. But these next molds are what won the poll, so this will be Thursday's video. They are mandala coasters, and they're very pretty, and I'm really excited to see how these turn out. So definitely, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because you'll want to see how these turn out on Thursday. Okay. Next up, this will probably be next Tuesday's video because I'm so excited and I really, really want to play with it. I got some new Planchette molds, and these are from Let's Resin. I love Let's Resin stuff. Their stuff is so well made. But you can see, so this one has like crystals and a moon. And then this one has, you know, like the moon, and it has a cat and some floral bits in it. And then it's also got, you can make your own cabochons to place inside the planchette. And I saw that and I was like, whoa, that is freaking amazing. So this will definitely be Tuesday's video. And with this, I also ordered some Chameleon powders from Let's Resin. So this one is aqua and blue. Yeah, you're not really going to be able to see it. This one is gold to turquoise. And then this one is purple and gold. So I'm really, really looking forward to trying these out. I'm going to try them in this, and I may also try them in the mandalas. I'm not quite 100% sure about that yet. I guess you'll just have to subscribe and see on Thursday. Okay. This next one, I'm really also super excited to try. This is a new mold that I've seen floating around. So these are also coasters, but they are snowflake coasters. They're very, very intricate and very pretty. Yeah, I'm super stoked to try these out, see how they go. And then the last set, 2 sets of molds that I got are 3-tier tray molds. So I've got one set in the round, and then I also got a set in square. And those came with silver and gold pieces for that, but I also ordered extras of both of these colors because I'm planning to make some trays for Christmas gifts this year for family and friends and stuff like that. So that is my Halloween haul, I think. I'm pretty sure that's all of it. Let me just double check real quick. What's in here? I think this one is the rest of those little things. Let's see. Just want to double check and make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Yeah, it's those. Oh, but it also had, I forgot about that. It also has black in there as well. So, that's super exciting. So, I've got all of that. And I just packed up everything for my Halloween into my Halloween storage box. So we are ready to dive into, you know, fall, Christmas gifts, resin, lots and lots of resin. So definitely stay tuned for that. So yeah, if you guys want to let me know which of these molds that I have shown you today you are most excited about, definitely leave me a comment in the comment section below. Links to all my socials and everything, and my shop, which will be updated soon, are in the description box, as well as links to everything that I have shown. As always, Amazon links are affiliate links, so if you purchase from them, I get a small kickback, and it costs you nothing extra. Yeah, I think that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. And if you'd like to stick around and see more, you know how to do that. Just click the red subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. You take care. Bye.